It's part of a new initiative to connect students with local seniors. Laurence Brisson-Dubreuil reports.
As the years go by, Judy McDonald says it's become harder for her to tackle spring cleaning tasks.
Some of it I've neglected.
The 80-year-old says that's why she jumped at the chance to receive help.
Now I've got everything clean and up to date, and hopefully it'll last the summer.
She says that's all due to an initiative between Montreal West and Loyola High School. A first in the neighborhood, the idea is simple. Have students help residents with reduced mobility with their outdoor spring chores.
We've actually done this shed over here so far. We took out all the stuff, we sprayed it with the hose. We cleaned everything, and now we're going to go over to the deck, I'm pretty sure, and fix up everything there. And then we have a couple of more things to do, and then I think we'll be done.
18 students signed up to be part of the first cohort of this program. The time they spent helping with chores today is counting towards the mandatory community service hours Loyola students need to do. But these two 8th graders say participating is about more than just a school requirement.
It's really good helping out someone who can't really help themselves out as much.
Even if I already finished all my hours, I'd probably still do it. It's just like it's like I'm not even thinking that it's for school. It's more as in like I'm just helping the community.
For Eleanor Hannock and Fred Braman, the help is coming at just the right moment.
I was unwell for a little while, so I just couldn't attack the gardens. It just seemed overwhelming.
With 2 kids of their own who attended Loyola, the couple says it feels confident having the students handle tasks.
They teach their kids to be involved in their community and to help people.
Montreal West Seniors Advisory Committee dubbed May 25th Caring Neighborhood Day, a fitting name that goes a long way towards supporting older residents, says Councillor Colleen Feeney.
One of our goals is to do some more in intergenerational activities, all those kinds of things, help stop ageism.
With all these good deeds from students, residents receiving the help were also given a job: provide snacks, an assignment for which they all received an A+. Laurence Brisson-Dubreuil, CTV News.